Question number 8. A triangle of area 60 cm is given, okay, and AD is a median drawn from vertex A to side BC, BY is a median drawn from B to AD. So let us first draw this triangle. Let us assume this is A, B and C, and the area of this triangle is 60 centimeter square. So in this question, basically we'll use the property of a triangle which says that if AD divides the side BC in the ratio A ratio B, then the area of this triangle ABD and ADC will divide in the same ratio. Okay, so let us draw this median AD first. Okay, so it will divide this BC into 1:1, hence the area will divide in the same ratio. This 30 centimeter square and this is also 30. Okay, there is another median BY from vertex B to AD. So let us take this as point Y and draw a median Y here also. Okay, so Y divides AD into 1:1 again. Okay, so similarly this area of BYD is 15 and ABY is also 15. Okay, but we have no use of these areas. Let us join this CY. Okay, so area of AYC will be 15 and the area of YDC will also be 15, because this Y divides this AD in the ratio 1:1, hence the area will also divide in the same ratios, right? So it is given that BY is extended to meet AC at E. So let us extend this median and produce it up to E. Okay, so let us take this triangle ECB. Okay, so in this triangle this D is the midpoint to BC. So from midpoint theorem, if I draw a line parallel to BE which is produced up to EC and meet at EC at point F, then point F will be the midpoint, right? So this EF ratio FC will be 1:1 from the midpoint theorem, right? Now similarly consider this triangle ADF. Okay, so in this triangle this Y is the midpoint, Y is parallel to DF, right? So it is parallel to DF and this is midpoint, so E will also be midpoint to AF. So ratio of AE to EF will also be 1:1 again. So from here I have calculated the ratio of AE, ratio EF, ratio FC, which is 1:1, right? So this triangle AYC, the area of this triangle we have already calculated, which is 15. Okay, so this 15 will be divided in the ratio AE to EC, which is 1:2. So for triangle AYE, this AYE, the area would be divided in the ratio 1:2, hence when 15 divided into ratio 1:2, I would get 5:10. Hence this area of triangle AYE will be 5 centimeter square. Option D is the correct.